I think where XOI has helped Windy City in my brief time there, in using is two or three things. One, helps educate your techs, obviously, which we spoke about. Helps stop the return visits because you're trying to identify everything that's wrong and making sure that it works and it works correctly before you leave. You know, not like I started it up, it looks good, I'm out. I watched it cycle 3 times, it's fine. Here's the cycle, you can see it on the video. You know, so the chance to have to go back is helped. You're gaining ROI by developing the trust between the customer and you. Again, transparency. We're not afraid to show you the work that we did. We want to show you the work that we did, so we'll build more trust and you'll give us more work. So your ROI, you know, is much more than just the truck and so on. It's education of the customer, and then the other part is you gain more business as you develop it. Now you got to work at it. You know, one of the things I want to do with XOI and Windy City is over the next year, go to some of our most valuable customers and maybe take 5 videos, very short, very quick, but that show things that are important to their business. Little Caesars, one of our biggest customers, pizza ovens. It's the single most important thing that runs their business. Take some videos, show them some things, show them a PM video of what they can do on their own, you know, that their restaurant can take care of every night, and what happens when you don't do it, you know. Those type things better educates our customer, and the more we do for our customer, the better chance they continue to work with us. I put out top 10 tips to save $1 a week ago, and all it is 10 simple things to look for before you place a service call, because it might be as simple as the refrigerator doesn't work because it's unplugged. But if you looked and saw that and plugged it in, you save $200. Anything you can do for your customer that helps your working relationship with them as a benefit, and the video goes a long way in doing that.